Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to add favicon in Wix website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open your site dashboard, and one more thing, you will be able to upload or add a favicon in premium Wix. So if you're a free user, then you won't be able to add favicon to your Wix website. So right now I'm in my premium Wix and this is my website dashboard, and I'm clicking on settings and I'm clicking on website settings and scrolling down, and here we can see the favicon option. To upload a favicon, click on upload image and I'm clicking on upload media, upload from computer, and I'm selecting my favicon and clicking on choose files, and here we can see the favicon has been uploaded, and I'm clicking on save. Okay, so this is how we can add favicon to our Wix website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.